Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I got this laser fence. It's so beautiful. In my opinion, this is one of the most beautiful fences in Grow a Garden. You need to stick around to the end of this video to find out how I got this laser fence, and also I am going to be showing you guys how to unlock the CocoMango seed, guys. For those of you who have been seeing the CocoMango seed and you're wondering, what is the CocoMango seed? How can I get the CocoMango seed? All of these questions I am going to be answering in this particular video. I'm going to show you everything about the CocoMango and how to unlock it. This is a prismatic, so you cannot even dull, guys. So I'm going to be giving you guys the tips and the tricks of what I did. As you can see, I have coins and I ascended. All of these things I will tell you in this video. So you have to sit tight and do not skip any part of this video. And for those of you who are going to be watching till the end of this video, I have a giveaway for you. Yes, guys. So, guys, watch to the end of the video to find out what my giveaway is. So, this is how I started out in my garden, guys. I had to go and ascend. As you can see right now, I don't have any coin, and you cannot buy things like a CocoMango and even the laser fence with just shekels. You have to get a coin. So I went to find out how I can ascend. So those of you who have been following me know for a fact that I had 5 sextillion. So guys, I had to just put my money away safely because I didn't want to hear that I'll lose all my money. So I made sure I had only 10 trillion in my account. Yes, before ascending, because I don't want to take the risk. So I went to this ascension guy. I went, as you can see, I'm here. I had to find out, guy, I want to ascend. I was clicking and clicking, it's not clicking. He said I need strawberry and I also need 1 trillion. Guess what? I now found out that, okay, unlike the first time when I ascended and it took all my money, now Jandel has done something very nice, which is so cool. Once you want to ascend, it's just going to take part of your money, not all your money. You're doubting, right? Don't worry, I came with proof. Just keep watching. You will see that all I needed was the items that he asked for. So I went ahead to check my inventory. I don't have a strawberry. So I had to quickly plant a strawberry. Sharp, sharp, fast, fast. Yes, so I planted a strawberry very quickly because the ascension guy has told me that all I need is a certain amount of money, which I have, and a strawberry. Now, guys, I was trying to ascend yesterday, but he was asking me for one very difficult task. He was asking me to go and get an Aurora Amber Lily. So I actually gave up, honestly. I thought I would not be able to ascend and I would not be able to access the CocoMango. I would not be able to access the fences or any other thing. But my dear, I woke up this morning and realized that the task he gave me yesterday is different from what he's giving me today, which means that the task changes every single day. That was music to my ears. I was so happy because I was wondering, how am I going to get an Aurora Ember Lily? It was as good as me giving up. But then, now that I've realized that this thing changes every, not just every day, guys, like every 4 hours, I will be buying a lot of coins. Yes, so Janga has done this thing where it's not going to take all your money. So those of you who started at the beginning and it took all your money, sorry, but right now, we that waited, you know how they say the patient first thing, it really happened. So I came here to, I planted the strawberry, I harvested it, it was still not ascending, and I realized that I have to hold the strawberry in my hand. As you can see, I'm holding a strawberry in my hand, then I am able to ascend. So all I need is 1 trillion. So guys, can you see? It took 1 trillion to give me 10 coins. Yes. So don't be scared. If you have a lot of money, you can actually ascend. It's not going to take all your money, at least from what I experienced, as you can see on my screen. So it did not take. So now I came back to try and ascend again, right? He says, are you sure you want to ascend? You will get 10 garden coins, but lose um three three trillion shekels, and I have to come back in 3 hours. So now I've come to realize that the more you ascend, the more money you lose. Yes. So the first time I ascended, I lost just 1 trillion. Now I want to ascend again. It's telling me that I should come back in 3 hours and I'm going to be getting just I'm going to be getting, I'm going to be giving it 3 trillion. So I've learned so many things here now, guys. For you to ascend, one, you need to understand that the more you ascend, the more money you spend, and you need to have the particular fruit is asking you for. So that was what I did. And finally, I got my 10 coins. Now that I have the 10 coins, the next thing is to go and try and get the CocoMango. And that is how I'm going to be showing you guys what I did to get CocoMango. But before I get the CocoMango, I tried something out. As you can see, I'm trying to climb to get a coconut. Yes. Because what the Ascension guy asked me to do is to bring a coconut and 3 trillion. So I want to actually try my luck. Even though I saw 3 hours, I wanted to be 100% sure so that I don't give you guys wrong information that I am able to only ascend in 3 hours. So I got a coconut and I'm going back straight to the ascension, guys. Remember, guys, I'm going to show you how to get the cacao mango and also how to get the laser fen. So just keep watching, and there's also a giveaway for those of you who have watched till this point. Just be patient to find out what you need to do to get the giveaway. So I went there with the coconut and it's still not confirming because definitely it's telling me I have 3 hours 57 minutes left, meaning that what I said earlier was right. So I don't know if the timer is going to change when I give it the coconut, but I'll find out in 4 hours time. But then at least we now know that we can actually ascend without losing all our money. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, guys, now that we have these 10 coins, the next thing is to go and buy the cacao mango. Those of you who are wondering, where do I buy this cacao mango? Where do I get it from? How do I get it? You have to look at what I'm trying to do, guys. You have to increase your friendship level at the seed store. Yes. And how do you increase your friendship level? You have to cook and feed the seller, the seed seller. You have to cook and feed him. As you can see, I just fed him, and that's why I'm showing you cool down 11 hours because I just fed him. So for every time you feed the seed guy, the gear person, Eloise is the gear person, you can only feed her during her birthday. And you will see that I will try and feed her, and she will tell me that I can only feed her during her birthday. Can you see, guys? But you can feed the pet guy and the seed guy every single time once it restarts. Let's say like every 24 hours. As you can see, I'm waiting for another 11 hours to feed. So you see, I'm trying to feed the pet guy, but I can't feed him because I just fed Raphael. So I have to wait another 11 hours to feed Raphael. But I'm sure you understand. So those of you who have not been feeding your seed shop, your pet shop, you have to start feeding it. If not, there are so many things you cannot unlock. It's so important. So in case you're also wondering, how do you even get the cooking um pot? Because I obviously have a cooking pot and I'm always cooking. In case you're wondering how to get the cooking pot, you have to do the achievements. Yes. So if you don't know how to do the achievements and you want to get the cooking pot, let me know in the comment section and I will show you how to achieve that. I will show you how to get the cooking pot. Yes, guys. So if you know you want me to show you how I got my own cooking pot and I'm able to cook in my garden, my farm every single day, let me know in the comment section. So now, guys, I have done everything. I have tried. I can't do anything anymore. I have to wait till some hours. So I decided that since I cannot buy the cocoa mango right now because I need to feed um the seed guy. As you can see, it says I should come back in 11 hours, and once I do, by then I'll be able to get it. So I decided to go to the shop and just spend my money. And what I decided to buy, you will see. But before I show you what I decided to buy, let me just run you guys through again. To get your cacao mango, you have to keep feeding the seed guy to unlock the NPC and all of that. Yes. And also to get the coin, you have to ascend, which I showed you. So guys, now I'm ready to get my fence. As you can see, there's the ascended fence, there's the Greek fence, and there is my absolutely amazing laser fence. So I was now in a crossroad. I only have 10 coins and I have the laser Greek and the ascended fence. I asked myself, which will I buy? Is it the ascended, is it the Greek, or the laser? But guys, the laser is so beautiful. Like I said, in my opinion, the laser fence is one of the most beautiful fences in Grow a Garden. Guys, if there's another fence you really like, let me know in the comment section which fence is your favorite. For me, the laser is one of my favorites. So there are so many fences: the green fence, the picket fence, the brick fence. There are so many fences. Just let me know in the comment section which fence is your favorite. You already know mine is laser, and I've bought it, guys. So I used 10 coins to buy the laser fence. Of course, I couldn't wait to go to my garden to absolutely change my fence. So for those of you who are wondering, when you have a fence, where does it go to? How do you change your fence? As you can see, I have this beautiful white fence that I love, 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 love. I also love this fence a lot. That's the truth. I love it a lot. So if you also want me to do a video showing you how I got this fence and how you can actually get other fences, let me know. I got this fence for absolutely free, so I can let you know how I got it for free. Yes. So guys, I've changed the laser. See, you just click on edit skin by your garden signboard. Yes, once you do that, you are going to have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful laser fence. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched to this part, I have a gift for you. Let me know a pet that you want, and I am going to search for it and come give you. I'll be picking one winner. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and bye.